Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful, actually maybe beautiful might be relative to your taste in color. Some people might not think it's too beautiful. I think it's a cool color. But today I'm here to tell you about this possibly beautiful, depending on your opinion, 2019 Infiniti Q60 in the very, very rare shade of Solar Mica. They only offered this color a short amount of time, maybe 1 or 2 years. I think they really only offered it on the Q60. I've been in Infiniti 16 years. I've been with Infiniti the whole existence of this color and the whole existence of this generation of the Q60, and this is the only one I've seen in this shade of Solar Mica. And I remember when this was a brand new Infiniti in our inventory and we put it in loaner car service, all of a sudden, as soon as we put it in loaner car service, people were still seeing it at newer inventory and they're calling from all over the country, hey, I want this car, I've been looking for this color. But unfortunately, when you put a vehicle in loaner car service, we can't take it out without being penalized by Infiniti until it's ready for retirement. But now it's been about a year, it's got a little under 14,000 miles, and it just has been retired out of our loaner service fleet, and now it's available for sale as a certified pre-owned Infiniti. And so if you've been looking for a Solar Mica Q60, this might be one of the only ones for sale in the entire country. And the way the loaner cars work, one of the benefits of being a new Infiniti or a certified pre-owned Infiniti customer is you get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended stays. So that's what this one did most of its life. We have the original build sheet on it, 2019 Q60, 3.0 LUXE all-wheel drive. This had an original MSRP of $55,925. It's very well equipped with features. We have the Pro Assist package. That has a 2250 option giving you blind spot warning, backup collision intervention, around view monitor with moving object detection, front and rear parking sensors, and rain sensing wipers. The leather seating package, upgrading to semi-inline leather appointed seats, that was $1,350. Leatherette is standard, leather is optional. The Essential package was a $3,200 option package, giving you lots of equipment including navigation, power tilt telescoping steering wheel column, driver's seat power lumbar support and side bolsters, dual occupant memory seats for a driver's seat and steering column and outside mirrors, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start, auto dimming outside mirrors with reverse tilt down function. And this beautiful shade of Solar Mica was a $500 premium option. And then we have the Infiniti Radiant illuminated kick plates. That was $420. And of course we can print you out a copy, or when you come in, or we can email you one if you want to peruse it yourself. The Q60 is a beautiful automobile. It's one of the best looking sport luxury coupes in the market, I think, in this price range. And not just me, a lot of the automotive press gush over its beautiful styling on the inside and outside. We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity steering, traction stability control settings, 7-speed automatic transmission. You do have adaptive shift control, which momentarily holds the current gear for the better acceleration out of a turn, corner, or when accelerating up a hill. You have manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back to the left, you push up to off shift, back to downshift, and in manual mode you'll get rev matched downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. Power and heated front seats. You can control the heated seats with these buttons here. We also have redundancies. You can control them here, and then you control the heated steering wheel here. Climate control settings, you just press this little outline of a person to control your climate settings on where you want the air to blow to. Defroster. You have dual zone climate control as well. 360-degree round view monitor. You can also change views. Great for low speed maneuvering. Moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, and as I mentioned, just a tad under 14,000 miles. Bose Performance Series audio system. So with the Infiniti pre-owned certification, you get lots of benefits. This one pretty much has all the benefits you'd have as a brand new Infiniti. Roadside assistance, trip interruption benefits for the duration of the certified warranty. Available low rate financing for well-qualified buyers. Your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. You have a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty that covers 1,400 components. On top of that, you still have the balance of a 4-year, 60,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. One of the best warranties in the business on a luxury automobile. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. It's intelligent because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it's 100% rear-wheel drive for the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car, and that also helps reduce premature tire wear and improve gas mileage by having that rear-wheel drive bias. But this has a electromagnetic differential developed originally in an older generation Nissan Skyline high performance Japanese performance automobile. They've been using this Tesla all-wheel drive system for a very long time. I've been with Infiniti 16 years. I don't think I can ever recall one of these all-wheel drive systems going bad. They're amazing, and it can send power to the wheels in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels as soon as those rear wheels slip. So you get amazing performance. And look at that beautiful shade of solar mica. You know, I think one of the problems is Infiniti's stock photos. Look at that. I mean, it might be kind of hard to see in the camera, but that doesn't look like, to me, I mean, maybe I'm a little bit colorblind, but that does not look like the same color. But if you looked in the Q60 brochure on Infiniti's website, that would be solar mica. So maybe someone might have ordered this vehicle or bought it without seeing it in person. It's almost like a different color, but that's besides the point. You can see in this video and the pictures that this is what solar mica looks like, and take it or leave it. I know some people might love this color, might people think it's hideous. I like it. It's different. It definitely stands out from the rest of the crowd. Q60s are rare in general. You don't see a ton of them on the road, which is a good thing, because when you buy a car like this, you don't want other person to have one. But this color makes it even more exclusive. For an engine, we have a twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower, featuring direct injection. Also have a chip guard clear bra, which is a clear Scotch Guard material which will protect the front end from stone and rock chips. It's done so far and will continue to do so as the years and miles roll along, and those aren't cheap. Usually it's $1,200 at a dealership to get a chip guard system put on like that, but that's something that's already installed that you're not going to pay extra for. If you're in the market for a Japanese built sports luxury coupe, this solar mica Q60 certified pre-owned is definitely worth a look. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching this video and hope to see you soon.